Hi, everybody. This is Dan Sheridan from Sheridan Risk Management. And I'm going to talk a little bit about a plan to make 10% per month on the option trading for 2025 and what goes into that plan. And when you look here, this is a 3-month price chart of SPX. You can see lately, not so much range bound. We've gone up. 7 out of 8 days, 8 days out of 9 days. And then you had this big down day yesterday with all this AI news when the market went down. And so what we try to do here, what I try to do is how do we navigate through this, right? As we look at volatility, as we look at news, as we look at the pricing. And part of what goes into this plan to make 10% a month and is a couple things. Give you a couple bullet points here. One of the keys is turnover. That's a big key. So if I'm trading a portfolio of $10,000 and if it's 10K, I might leave 2K in cash. So I'm still looking to make 10% on the 10,000, which is about $1,000. That's the plan, right? Turnover is a key element. What does that mean? It means that the trades we put on, generally they'll be 10 to 15 days on the low end, 35 days on the high end. We're going to be in them 30% of the time. So most of these trades, we're going to turn them over. So the trades that I put on this week, 2 or 3 trades, I'll be off by next week. So turnover is key. Now, we'll throw in some occasional, some 0-day trades people may consider as part of this, but those don't eat up cash really that much because you're in and out that day. But generally, we're looking at 10 to 15 to 30 to 35 day duration. So turnover is key. And so you have multiple, you might have on a given week, I'm going to do 2 to 3 trades over 4 weeks. That could be 8 to 11 trades. So you have enough occurrences where even if I have a couple losers, you have enough trades to make up for it. The other thing that's important is win rate. Most of what we're doing is based on probabilities. So we're looking for a win rate of around 70, closer to 75% on the trades. And mostly as far as the strategies, we're doing, 5 of the more common ones: iron condor, a type of butterfly, a type of, or calendars, maybe a double diagonal, and a put vertical or a vertical spread. So are we doing all of them? No, we're only doing 2 or 3 trades a week, but that's in our arsenal. That's in our golf bag. So good turnover, good win rate. Those are the main strategies that we would consider. Consistency. We're looking to do it every week, right? Turn it over. Obviously, we have some criteria we talk about, which is we'll look at the price action, we'll look at the volatility, we'll look at news, and we'll make a decision every day. Do we trade today? Number one. What type of trade? Number two. And number three, what size? So even though we're doing it every week, we are looking at market conditions. And number five, this is where the risk management comes in. We have a risk management 4-step plan on every trade. And the bottom line is when you have a good win rate up near 75%, your risk management is basically keeping your losers under control. And that's really what we focus on. Now, part of the win rate to get it up to 75%, what we're looking at on most of these trades is a general guideline. we're staying, we're staying in these trades about 30% of the duration. So we're not going near expiration. So anyway, this is the basics of it. If you like this, join us. We're starting in February of 2025. We'll be doing February, then March, each month, live trades. You get all that information on it. When we do a trade, when we do an adjustment, you get that sent to you, but you're also getting, why am I doing it? You're getting the why behind all of it. So you can see it in action. So if you want to join us for February, we start next Tuesday, February 4th. We'll do February. We're done. We'll do March, and we'll go each month this year. Uh, um, and with the plan of making 10%. Now we're doing this 10% off 10K in this class because I think it's more comfortable with everybody. But whether you're trading 20,000, 100,000, or 4,000, it's the same principles. So check us out at Sheridan Risk Management, and look forward to seeing you next week, Tuesday, February 4th. We'll be going at 2 p.m. Tuesdays and Thursdays. Each month we'll do February, chart the P&L and everything on that. You get all the trades, and then we would go to March. So have a good day, everybody. We'll see you next week. Thanks.